Fries.
What is it?
Pull it out.
What is it?
What does it look like?
A new PJ Masks?
It's not PJ Masks though. What's on it?
A unicorn! Is this a dress?
No, it's a cape.
Oh. Is that Princess? Is that Princess?
I don't know. It's just a unicorn.
It has wings! Is that a cutie mark?
I don't think it's a My Little Pony. It's just a unicorn.
I see some stars on it.
Okay.
It's a horn.
Yeah.
How do you put the horn on?
It's a headband.
Oh. Thank you!
You're welcome, baby.